In today's fast-paced digital world, the demand for dynamic, interactive websites is more significant than ever. Amidst a plethora of technologies that facilitate web development, JavaServer Pages, JSP, stands out as a robust solution. Imagine a technology that not only enhances the functionality of your websites, but also simplifies the process, making it accessible even to those new to the field of web development. This guide will delve deep into the world of JSP, exploring its core features, lifecycle, and practical applications in modern web development. JavaServer Pages, JSP, is a powerful technology used for developing dynamic, data-driven web applications. Unlike static HTML, JSP allows you to embed Java code in your HTML, making your web pages smarter and more responsive to user input. It is an essential part of the Java ecosystem, particularly useful for those looking to enhance their web applications without diving deep into complex back-end programming. JSP operates on the server side, meaning that it processes data on the web server before sending it to the client's browser. This approach provides a seamless user experience, as the heavy lifting is done behind the scenes. JSP is celebrated for its robust features that simplify web development. Separation of concerns is fundamental. It divides the application logic from the presentation layer, making the code cleaner and more manageable. Simplified development is another cornerstone, allowing developers to embed Java directly into HTML without cumbersome frameworks or additional scripting. Moreover, tag libraries enhance functionality and reusability. They allow you to create reusable tags that behave like custom-built mini-components. This modular approach not only speeds up development but also enhances maintainability. The lifecycle of a JSP page is crucial for developers to understand. Initially, the JSP page undergoes a compilation phase where it is turned into a servlet by the server. This process is only done once unless the JSP file changes. During the execution phase, this servlet generates the dynamic content and sends it back to the client. This separation of compilation and execution phases optimizes performance and efficiency. JSP versus servlets, choosing the right tool. While both JSP and servlets are used for generating dynamic content, they serve different purposes. Servlets are ideal for handling business logic and data manipulation, acting as controllers in MVC frameworks. In contrast, JSP is more suited for creating the view components of web applications, dealing directly with the presentation layer. Choosing between them depends on your specific project needs. Use JSP for ease with the presentation and servlets for complex control logic. Creating a JSP page is straightforward. Start with basic HTML and insert Java code where necessary using JSP tags like for scriptlets or for expressions. For instance, a simple JSP page might include a form that takes user input and displays it on the same page after processing. This blend of HTML and Java makes JSP an ideal starting point for developers transitioning from web design to web development. Integrating JSP with other Java technologies like JDBC for database connectivity makes it a versatile choice for developing complex applications. It can also work in harmony with frameworks like Spring and Hibernate, which further simplify the development process. This integration capability makes JSP a powerful tool in a developer's toolkit, capable of handling various aspects of web application development. JSP's custom tag libraries are a game changer. They allow you to encapsulate complex functionality in simple tags that can be reused across your application. For example, you could create a custom tag for a user authentication panel that can be used wherever needed. This not only speeds up the development process, but also helps in maintaining a consistent behavior across your web application. To ensure efficient and secure JSP applications, follow best practices like avoiding scriptlets where possible, using EL, expression language, and JSTL, JSP standard tag library, for cleaner code, and always validating user input to prevent security vulnerabilities. Adhering to these practices will make your JSP applications robust, maintainable, and secure. Despite the emergence of numerous web development technologies, JSP remains relevant due to its robustness, ease of use, and integration with the Java ecosystem. As web development evolves, JSP continues to adapt, integrating with modern frameworks and tools, ensuring its place in the future of enterprise web development. In conclusion, mastering JSP can significantly enhance your web development capabilities, allowing you to build more dynamic, efficient, and scalable web applications. Whether you are a seasoned Java developer or just starting out, JSP offers a valuable set of tools to expand your development horizons.